I do not propose to make any change in the corporate tax. With a view to providing interim relief to small and marginal taxpayers and senior citizens, I propose to increase the personal income tax exemption limit by rupees 15,000 from rupees 2,25,000 to rupees 2,40,000 for senior citizens. Similarly, I propose to raise the exemption limit by rupees 10,000 from rupees 1,80,000 to rupees 1,90,000 for women taxpayers, and by rupees 10,000 from rupees 1,50,000 to rupees 1,60,000 for all other categories of the individual taxpayer. Further, I also propose to increase the deduction under Section 80DD in respect of maintenance, including medical treatment of a dependent who is a person with severe disability, to rupees 1 lakh from the present limit of rupees 75,000. In the past, surcharge on direct taxes have generally been levied to meet the revenue needs arising from the natural calamities. The government has set up National Calamity Contingency Fund to build up resources to meet emergency situations. As a corollary, surcharge on direct taxes should be removed. However, this has to be balanced with the revenue needs of the government. Therefore, in the first instance, I propose to phase out the surcharge on various direct taxes by eliminating the surcharge of 10% on personal income tax. Deduction in respect of export profits is available under Sections 10A and 10B of the Income Tax Act. The deduction under these sections would not be available beyond the financial year 2009-10. In order to tide over the slowdown in exports, I propose to extend the sunset clauses for these tax holidays by one more year, that is for the financial year 2010-11.